Okay, let's go ahead and jump into the information panel. Over here on the left side, we have a lot of different keys that can be used. The first is the status mode. These are all fly-out menus, and we can select different ways the machine might be set up. So, like the units of measure, right now it's an inch, but we can go into metric. I can look at my program name or number. I can look at software version. All my options would be in here, what's activated, and there's selectable features in here as well where I can turn them on and off. So the tool table is the next piece of information. This has a couple parts to it. Actually 3 parts. Show me if the part's been set up. Right now it's not set. The second section is the program tools. Once I do write a program, it's going to want me to fill in the tools that I'm going to be using in that program. That would be the program tool section. The third would be the tool library. In the library is where I can store programs and up to 99 tools. The EPA is an Enhanced Programming Assistance. This is a great feature. It's similar to having a manual. So if you want to have an online manual, something right handy, you can come into here, and let me give you a little sample. If I'm going to program, let's say, a cycle event for turning a machining cycle, it might show me a picture, it might show a video, and I can read about this, and it'll help me to learn how to program or even how to set the machine up. So in this sample, it'll just show different pictures. I can go in and just learn more and more about it. So there's a lot of different topics in here to choose from. The math help, this is it's not new to this control, but it's still useful to where sometimes we need to do some trig, or we need to find let's say an intersecting or an ending point. This is where we'd go to do our math. The defaults, this is new to the RX control. The defaults are user defaults. You can see I'm scanning down through here, and on the lathe there are 13 different categories, and I can manipulate or set these according to how I like the machine apart. So basically what I'm doing is we teach the control how we like the machine apart, like how much we might leave for finish, and etc. So this is a new addition to the control. It's a great thing to have. The keyboard, when that comes up, you can move this into wherever you'd like to make it easy to use. I use the keyboard to give the program a name. There's other uses for it. I can expand it to where I have numbers. There's actually 2 keyboards. The second keyboard is over here. It's a real keyboard where you don't need to plug in a keyboard anymore. You can just use this keyboard if you'd like. Once again, it has all the proper keys on it. The calculator is the last key on the information panel. I use this sometimes when I'm programming. I need to do a calculation. I can actually type in the value and then transfer it right into my program very easily. So you don't really need to use your smartphone or another calculator. You've got one right here at all times. So hopefully this helps you out to just learn a little bit more about what is in this control, and thank you very much.